Can your iPhone be compromised remotely?
Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into a frequently asked question about iPhone security. Can spyware be installed on an iPhone without physical access to the device? Let's uncover the layers of this intriguing topic.
What is spyware?
Spyware is malicious software designed to collect data from a device without the user's knowledge. This data can include anything from location data, personal photos, and messages, to even banking details. It's vital to know how at risk we are, especially on devices we use daily.
How secure is the iPhone?
Apple's iOS, the operating system that powers the iPhone, is known for its robust security features. End-to-end encryption, stringent app review processes, and regular software updates make it challenging for malicious actors to compromise iPhones. However, no system is entirely immune to security vulnerabilities. Time and again, security researchers find potential exploits, though many of these are patched quickly by Apple.
Physical access versus remote access.
Traditionally, installing spyware required physical access to the target device. This is because direct access makes it easier to bypass certain security measures or manipulate system settings. However, there have been reports and incidents where high-value targets had spyware installed on their devices without physical access. Such attacks, though rare, usually exploit previously unknown vulnerabilities in the operating system or in installed applications.
Real-world cases.
One of the most notable examples was the case involving the Pegasus spyware developed by the NSO Group. This spyware was capable of remotely compromising iPhones using a chain of zero-day vulnerabilities. While such cases are concerning, they're often highly targeted and not aimed at the average user. While the iPhone is one of the most secure consumer devices out there, it's crucial to stay informed and cautious. Always keep your software updated, and be wary of unsolicited links or downloads. With awareness and vigilance, you can ensure that your data remains in safe hands. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this has shed some light on the intricacies of iPhone security.